Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you have a bad brake booster and it's time to replace it? The brake booster is located on the firewall and is going to be located where your brake pedal is going to be at. Basically, if your brake pedal is right here, it's going to be on the other side in the engine bay area. The brake booster is part of the brake system, and basically its job is to assist when braking. Now, without the brake booster, it is going to take a lot of braking effort for the vehicle to stop. When you have the brake booster, it is going to provide brake assist. So when you step on the brake pedal, it is going to make it much easier for the vehicle to come to a stop. When a brake booster is failing caused by a bad diaphragm that's located on the inside, the brake booster is not going to work properly. So again, the purpose of the brake booster is to provide brake assist. Without the brake booster, when you step on the brake pedal and when the diaphragm inside the brake booster is bad, it's going to be much more harder to step on the brake pedal and it's going to cause brake issue. Again, the brake booster is to provide brake assist. So when you step on a brake pedal and when the brake pedal feels hard and it's very difficult to press on the brake pedal, and when you're trying to come to a stop, you'll have a hard time coming to a stop. So this can cause your vehicle to skid. The next sign of a bad brake booster is going to be hissing noise. If you hear hissing noise around the brake pedal area, that's because the diaphragm inside the brake booster is ruptured. When the diaphragm is ruptured, it is going to cause a hissing noise and it's also going to cause a vacuum leak. When you have a vacuum leak caused by a bad brake booster diaphragm, this can cause an engine misfire and you're going to get codes for P0300. This can cause the engine to stall at low speed. This can cause rough idle. This can trigger lean codes such as P0171 and P0174. And this can also cause the engine to shake at idle. Before you replace the brake booster, make sure the brake booster check valve did not fail and make sure the brake booster hose is still in good condition. If you're not sure how to check for a bad brake booster check valve, I do have a video for that. Just use the search feature. And the next thing you want to check for is for a bad master cylinder seal. If the master cylinder seal is bad, this can cause the brake fluid to leak inside the brake booster, and this can cause the brake booster to fail. So even if you replace the brake booster and you have a bad master cylinder seal, it is going to fail again. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.